Why can't we use tiny robots instead of silicon in computers? Well, imagine your toy blocks. Silicon is like the blocks we use to build computers. But tiny robots, called nanoelectronics, are like magic blocks that can change shape and do tricks. They can make computers super fast and smart. But here's the twist. These magic blocks are so small they can even fit inside a raindrop. So one day your computer might be powered by a raindrop full of tiny robots. Isn't that cool? Like, comment and subscribe for more fun stories.